Hello friend, good morning. This is my Hyundai Accent new car. The flood come in my village. The water filled up in here floor. That's why I have removed all this floor mat and I have lived leave it for 4 to 5 days for drying purpose. Today I will show how to install the floor mat at home after drying and cleaning. This is my floor mat of Hyundai Accent car. I have washed for 2 to 3 times with the help of shampoo and after 4 days it was dried by sun. It should be keep from the floor one minimum 1 feet height. It will dry easily. Now I will show how to install it on Hyundai Accent car. I have come to install now. I will show you how to install it easily, and at least it takes 1 hour. We have to put first this screw here. After this we have to put this screw. This is like this log. We have to put it with the help of screwdriver. Now we have to put like star screwdriver with the help of here. One screw is there. First you have to loose it properly. It will go inside easily. Then we have to put here. First we have to put mat in here like this. We have to take wire up. After putting this, it has one lock. We have to keep it like this and we have to tag it like this. It will come out from here. After that we have to cover it properly here and here. And also here. And also here. This is an seat belt bolt and I have using 14 number spanner to tighten it. Here we have to tighten it. Here we have to tighten it properly, very fitly, very fit. We have to tighten it properly. It is very important. Like this we have to tighten the seat belt.